Today we're uncovering the secrets of the 33 most incredible natural wonders you won't believe exist. In this video, we will take you on a voyage around the world to discover some of the most inspiring natural wonders on the planet. Join us as we uncover the fascinating stories and little-known facts behind these natural wonders, and learn more about the geological, biological, and cultural forces that have shaped them into the marvels that they are today. Whether you're an avid traveler, an outdoors enthusiast, or simply a curious soul, this video will surely leave you amazed and inspired by the power and beauty of our planet's natural wonders. So let's embark on a remarkable journey together. Number 33. Lençóis Maranhanas National Park. Lençóis Maranhanas sand dunes. These sand dunes in northeastern Brazil are unique because they form in the middle of a tropical forest and are filled with freshwater lagoons during the rainy season. The sand dunes cover an area of over 580 square miles and are one of the main attractions of Lençóis Maranhanas National Park. The sand is carried to the park from the continent's interior by the Parnaíba and Preguiças rivers, where it is then driven back inland up to 31 miles by winds, creating a series of sand dunes rising as much as 130 feet tall. During the rainy season, between January and June, the rainstorms fill the spaces among the dunes with freshwater lagoons of up to 330 feet in length and 10 feet in depth, and together comprising as much as 41% of the area of the park. Lençóis Maranhanas National Park receives as many as 60,000 visitors a year. Everyday activities within the park include surfing, canoeing, and horseback riding. Number 32. Cappadocia. This region in central Turkey is known for its surreal landscapes of fiery chimneys, rock formations, and underground cities. Over thousands of years, volcanic eruptions, erosion, and human habitations formed the unique topography of Cappadocia. Cappadocia has a rich history and even appears in the biblical account in the book of Acts, 2nd chapter, verse 9. Today is a popular tourist destination where travelers can take hot air balloon rides, hike, or explore the underground cities and churches that were carved into the soft, tough rock. Cappadocia is also famous for its wine, pottery, and hospitality, making it a popular destination for tourists across the globe. Number 31. Phang Nga Bay. The stunning bay is in Phang Nga Province, Thailand, and is known for its limestone cliffs, turquoise waters, and hidden lagoons. Tourists can explore the bay by boat or kayak and discover the numerous caves and beaches that dot the coastline. Limestone cliffs with caves, collapsed cave systems, and archaeological sites are found about Phang Nga Bay. Around 10,000 years ago, when sea levels were lower, walking from Phuket and Krabi was possible. The bay is also home to James Bond Island, a famous tourist spot that was featured in the movie The Man with the Golden Gun.